Hi guys, Keith here. I'm going to do a video sound clip as requested by one of our TDPRI members here. Comparison between my 1963 Fender Twin amp and my 1973 Fender Twin Reverb amp. I'm just going to plug a guitar in. I'll go through an A/B switch and I'll either go to the 73 or the 63. When I go to the 63 amp, I've got some reverb setting here. I do like a little reverb on my amps, so I might add some reverb just to compare it to the 73, and I'll also probably sample the two different tremolos. This one has the LED optocoupler style tremolo or vibrato, and this one has, it's called harmonic vibrato. It uses a tube to somehow split the high and the low signals and then blend them back together and make it sound like vibrato, but it's really cool. For sound capture, I use this Zoom H2. I have it on a little tripod here. I'll set it in front of the speakers here and I don't know, 3 feet back, and record them both. The amps are running the exact same speakers. Each amp, I've been experimenting with speakers. Each amp has warehouse WGS. This one has an ET65 and a G12C, and so does the blonde. Exact same speakers. So we'll run those as a sample. And in some of my earlier videos, some people had questioned some of my other amps. I still have my Tweeds. This is a 1959 high-powered Tweed Twin. This is a 1959 5E3 Deluxe. This is a 1971 Vibralux Reverb. This is a 1994 Vibro King I just picked up recently. And 1964 Bandmaster head and cabinet. And behind here is an Ampeg. It's a 100-watt V4B bass head that I play for fun. And everything is hooked up to a power conditioner here with multiple outlets. So I turn it on, everything comes on together. So here we go. I'll run the guitar here in the clear coated Mexican Strat with Custom Shop 54 pickups in it. Alright, here we are set up. Got our Zoom H2 in, a couple amps. I separated them far apart, so maybe left and right. If you can hear it on your computer speakers, maybe you'll hear the difference. I guess if you watch my foot, you'll see me clicking between amps. We've got some reverb on this Twin over here, and this one's got built-in reverb. I'll start on the 73 and work over to the 63. All right, next here, I'll do a little vibrato. Start with the Silverface. Over to the blonde. There you have it. I can hear that the Silverface tremolo is ticking a little bit. I guess I'm going to have to look into that. Let's turn that off again.